I got a massage from a very seedy place the other day. Didn't offer me a happy ending, but that's okay. I wasn't going to take it anyway. It's just nice to be offered. Jackie's Kitchy Kitchen, and today we're going to be making something very delicious for Thanksgiving!
Thanksgiving!
And I am so excited because I fucking love Thanksgiving and I wanted to make baked potatoes, but I'm not going to make baked potatoes or mashed potatoes, which are my favorite potatoes, so I don't know why I said baked potatoes, but we're going to be making pecan pie! Not pecan pie, because we can pee here in this kitchen.
Pretty sure that's illegal.
I just don't want to. Okay. Also, I found out that most of the 49ers, and by the way, I'm a 49ers fan, most of the 49ers actually really like this pie.
Damn right.
Anyway, let's get started. And now to have our friends over at Friendsgiving, we have D's nuts, we have busted nuts, we have ground nuts, butter nuts, colonizer nuts, chicken nuts, salt, vanilla bean paste, and of course the secret ingredient is maple syrup. Sourced from the engorged teats of the maple tree of Canada.
Thank you, Canada.
So first things first, we are going to take butter, and we're going to take a saucepan, and we're going to make them kiss.
You're not gonna like kiss me now, are you?
Son of a bitch. It was supposed to come out. I love it when things don't work here. Try this again.
Take two.
And we're gonna make brown butter with this. It's gonna be great. And we're just gonna let her melt a little bit. This will probably be the easiest task. We just leave it there, let her melt. Once she turns brown, then she's done.
Speak for yourself.
I'd make a joke about butter, but I don't want to spread myself thin.
You can do better than that.
Butter. She's a bordery butt. Now it's time to mix your moist ingredients. Say that to your uncle.
I'd rather not.
First, we're going to whisk our eggs. Get all the juices out of there. Break the yolk. Whisk away. Ooh, so gooey.
The only goo you're gonna see is good times.
So after you've whisked that for a good minute, we're going to add our vanilla bean paste. Rawr. Make sure we get every drop of the vanilla bean paste. Finger licking good.
Oh gosh, that looks like finger licking fun.
We wipe our fingers here at Jackie's Kitchy Kitchen and we wash them later.
Rules are rules.
Okay. I need an adult. Are you a twisty top? Yes, you are.
That's good shit.
So we're going to add 1 cup of maple syrup. Yum, 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 yum. Ooh, I get to keep the bottle for nefarious reasons.
Like drugs?
We're just gonna keep mixing. Mix, 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 mix. Ooh. So now we are going to add the sugar. There we go. I'm just gonna mix her in nice fancy like. There we go. So much sugar. Sugar! Next up, we have our packed brown sugar.
Go back! Go back!
I can just smell brown sugar all damn day. But I won't. I'm gonna be a good girl.
Are you sure?
Ah, boogers. There we go. Alrighty. All the sweet shit is in here. The best part of waking up is brown sugar up your butt.
That sounds about right.
But only do that with parental guidance. Woo. Starting to come together, baby.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
We're going to add our salt. Don't need much. Then we're going to add our butter, our brown butter.
Butter.
And of course, make sure that your brown butter is cool enough to add. You don't want it to be super duper hot if you are working with glassware. Don't need shit to explode on you this holiday season. Ooh, it should smell real good. Smell real good, baby. And once we have this nice and thoroughly mixed, we're going to bust a nut in this mix.
That didn't sound right.
There we go. Look at this. Get out of my whisk! Real drippy.
What a trip.
So right now we have our pie crust. And if you want to make your own, go ahead and check out this episode right here, because I'm not doing that shit again.
That's aggressive.
All right, mother truckers, let's fill these pie holes. Let's go, baby. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Into you next. Into you. Yeah. Ooh, baby. I have a strong feeling this is going to be more crust than pie, but that's okay. Actually, I might just have enough for both. Hell yeah, baby. Make sure your nut is evenly spread.
That's a joke.
Man, filling a pie hole with this much nut can exhaust you.
Tell me about it.
Get your ass out here. There we go. Yeah, she looking good. She's looking real pretty.
Dirty and purdy.
Now we're gonna place these nuts on our pie hole.
Doctor prescribed.
We're gonna do it in a very, very pretty way. Here at Jackie's Kitchy Kitchen, we only pick out the prettiest nuts.
Dirty and purdy.
So if you think you have the prettiest nuts in all the land, go ahead and send it to my producer, Nate. He's great at checking out nuts.
I don't think so.
Now I already have the oven preheated to 425. So we're gonna put these two in for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna lower the temperature to 350 for about 45 minutes. And then we'll play it by ear, because who fucking knows with these two fuckers.
What's your language?
Whoa, yeah, juicy runny one. Carefully place them in, don't burn yourself, that's not the goal here.
It would be extremely painful.
Over like a little baby kitten. Second one in. Alrighty. Start at 425, and we're just gonna wait about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. And from there, we're gonna lower the temperature, and then we'll bake for another 45 minutes. How was that? So after a million years, it's time to take out the pie. Now it's okay if they're jiggly, they just can't be like watery jiggly.
Just jiggle.
Nice and juicy, look how yummy yum that is. Got that yummy yum.
Yeah, you got that yummy yum.
Number 2, our favorite bath time activity.
That's incorrect.
Alrighty. We're just gonna let these cool for honestly as long as it takes. And then we're gonna try them. And then we're gonna eat them. And then we're gonna poop them.
The math speaks for itself.
Thanksgiving or Indigenous Person Day, whichever. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Actually, it looks really, really good. A little bit crispy around the edges here. It shouldn't be that dark, but that's okay. Hakuna Matata.
It means no worries.
So while we're waiting for these pies to turn into crustaceans, go ahead and like, subscribe, share this video with all your family members. I know you're gonna be around them, so there's no excuse. And of course, check out our other videos on the Cosmo Network. We have Vera, who's fucking cool. We have my stepbro, who's also fucking cool. And you guys get to see them and be like, oh look, I'm part of the Cosmo Network family. I love being a part of a family because it's the family. We're Vin Dieseling this shit out with our wieners out and our nuts and our pies. Because that's what we do here at Jackie's Kitchy Kitchen. Now these pies are looking pretty darn good for this November month. But if you want to serve them for Christmas, you can add a little bit of Santa's secret stash.
Oh! Hello! What's this?
It's just
What's this?
snow from the North Pole.
Look at it. It's so pretty. All right, that'll get the diabetes going.
But I'm healthy besides the diabetes. No.
Now, like most things premature, I will be eating this pie hot because I am very impulsive.
Yeah, we know.
So let's go. I'm gonna grab one with a big, fat, juicy nut on it.
Gross.
I just want one nut in my mouth. Woo! Oh my god. Oh god, it's hot. Oh, it's so good. It's burning my tongue, but it's worth it.
Totally worth it.
Definitely don't eat it like this. I can have this like cereal. It's so fucking hot. But it's so good. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you create a pie hole. Don't be me. When you cut into this like a proper pie. I'm gonna take this into the other room and I'm going to blow in my pie hole and see if it'll cool faster.
That makes sense to me.
See you next time. Ooh. Oh no, all the powdered sugar's everywhere. Shit! Ah, boogers.